Stop scrolling.
Yes, you. If you really want to speak English confidently, this session is for you.
For the next few minutes, you are not just listening, you are speaking.
Out loud, not in your head, out loud.
This is Shadowing Challenge Part 2. Stronger, more focused, more powerful.
Here is how it works. When we say repeat, you repeat. That's when the pause will come. During normal conversation, just listen.
Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders.
Let's begin.
Repeat after me. I am ready to speak English.
My voice matters.
I speak even when I feel nervous.
I do not wait to be perfect.
Every sentence makes me stronger.
Mistakes help me grow.
I am building confidence right now.
I pause, and then I continue speaking.
Good. Now let's move into real conversation phrases. These help when your brain freezes.
Repeat. Let me think for a moment.
That's a good question.
I'm not sure, but I think.
Can you repeat that, please?
Give me a second to organize my thoughts.
I see your point.
That makes sense.
From my experience, it depends on the situation.
I agree with you, but I see it differently.
Now we train your brain to think in English.
Repeat. I am training my brain to think in English.
I describe things around me in English.
I form simple sentences in my mind.
When I forget a word, I explain it in a simple way.
I do not stop speaking because of one mistake.
Communication is more important than perfection.
I practice English even when I am alone.
I talk to myself to build fluency.
Now, something deeper. Confidence is not just language, it is emotional control.
Repeat. I stay calm under pressure.
I respond instead of reacting.
One mistake does not define me.
I rise above negative comments.
I grow a thick skin.
I am resilient when things feel difficult.
I power through uncomfortable moments.
Even on bad days, I show up.
My emotions do not control my future.
Now we move to story shadowing. Listen carefully and repeat after each sentence.
Yesterday, I felt nervous before speaking English.
My heart was beating fast.
I thought I would forget everything.
But I decided to try anyway.
I spoke slowly at first.
I made a few small mistakes.
But nobody laughed at me.
In fact, people listened carefully.
That moment changed something inside me.
I realized confidence comes from action.
Not from waiting.
Now I practice every single day.
And every day I improve a little more.
Excellent. Now shorter pauses, faster rhythm. Stay focused.
Repeat. I am improving every single day.
I am becoming more confident in conversations.
I am developing natural speaking habits.
I trust the learning process.
I do not give up easily.
Fluency is built through repetition.
And I am committed to improving.
If you stayed until now, you didn't just listen.
You practiced.
That is the difference between watchers and speakers.
Come back tomorrow and repeat again.
Consistency creates confidence.
And if this session helped you,
Subscribe to English Flow Podcast Official.
we'll see you in next episode.